so beautiful. Huh? What are you doing on the floor? Wow! A free Barbie! Here you go. Yay! Look how new you are. Ew, whatever. Nothing like a fresh new doll. So shiny and fresh. But you could use a little sparkle. I know. A diamond necklace. Fit for princess. Huh? Wait. A red carpet. You are VID. Very important doll, of course. Strut it, girl. I've just gotta take your pick. Yes, work it. Fabulous. Aw. Whoa! Your dress! How did that even get there? I can't have a dirty doll. I need a wardrobe change stat. This one? This isn't right either. Wait! My gold fabric! I can work with this. Hold tight. I got you, girl. Ta-da! Now this is what I call red carpet ready. Just look at that walk. Yes! Huh? She looks incredible! Look at that dress! A true sight to behold. What's that? Okay, we can dance all day! Now get ready for a spin! Nice! Oh no! Barbie? Are you okay? Gross! Right in the trash! Goodness! Ew! This is a disaster! I don't even know what this is! Wait! I have an idea! A good one, too! First, a square. Now for the shape. Just a few careful cuts here. Yep, keep going all the way. Now twist. It's really coming together now. See? Now for the bottoms. Can't forget this piece. Are you gorgeous or what? Ah, shoes! What are we gonna do? Is that tape? Don't mind if I do. Feet, please. First, coat them with clear nail polish. Add some tape to them. Make sure it's clear. Then add more polish. Nice! Behold! A foot mold! Here comes the sparkle, all the way to the top. They're done! Glitter platforms for the win! Cute! Just as red carpet worthy. You're the prettiest doll I've ever had, and you deserve the best dream house. Time for the unveiling! It's all yours! Just in time. Sweet dreams. No bed? Whatever shall we do? I'll just have to make you one. This will take some assembling. Cut, please. You can't just leave them plain. Brown is far too boring. Red is just so gorgeous. There. And now we assemble. Ta-da! It's perfect! Ready to get some sleep? It's all yours! Super cozy vibes. And it's the most royal color. I'll see you in the morning. My little sleeping beauty. Once upon a time. Oh, wow! Wouldn't you love this? Not for that price. This one's worse. 10,000? That can't be real. Hey, what about that? I know. I can work with this. Gotta have some pink. Check this out. Wow. Next up, design. Very nice. And how about some artwork? Cool. We could still use some more color. Look, a wishing star. Perfect for sweet dreams. What do you think? Aw, sleep tight. What's that? Oh, pee-pee? I got you. See? Relief is on the way. Here you go. Oh, that's not good. Sorry about that. Time to go potty. But not just any potty. This one's much sweeter than most. Mmm, so sour. Hey, what's that? Candy? Mmm, so good. I bet that tastes great. Ooh, oops. Mmm. Huh? I'm all out. Whatever. Huh? A teeny tiny potty. Convenient. Very convenient. It's perfect. Wow. You still have to go, right? Here you go. Ooh, come on! Push! You did it! Oh, thanks. Time for dip number 2. Oh, yeah. Feel better? I'll get that for ya. Phew. See ya. Psh, done. Oh, a new one. Awesome. Phew. Oh no! Don't eat that! Stop! Drop it! Hey! That was close. Wait. That was close. Chemistry. I'd rather hold my own experiment. I've got my water and my mermaid Barbie. Ready to go for a swim? Wow, look! The water's turning blue! It's beautiful! Wow, nice outfit change. This one is way cool. I wish I had one. All I have is my old Barbie. Sorry you aren't cute. Wait a minute. Things are finally looking up. First, let's wrap you up. We're giving you a tail, honey. Nice. That's enough. Now for the fins. They have to match. And there it is. Can't forget the top. This is one gorgeous mermaid. I think it looks cute. Wow. Mermaid power! All we need is some water. You look great! Enjoy your swim! That was great! Oh no! I need to save her! Help is on the way! And it's very cute. Use this. It floats. Just get in the middle. Relaxing, isn't it? Phew. Good save. Must be nice to have a pool. I know. Wait a minute. Good idea. Ta-da! Now the fun begins. Paint time. Start by painting the inside. Then move to the outside. Then the other side. But before this is done, we need to fill our sandbox. There. Nice and full. Then in goes the pool. It's time to install the slide. It's a long one. Ready? Have fun! Nice! Wow. You went fast! A pool day for the books. Anything for you. Oh. Oops. I didn't hear a thing. I got you. Hi. What's up? Nick is so cute. That smile. Huh? What's wrong? Tell me. No way. Don't worry, I'll get him. Will never work! Aw, let me fix this. Oh, this is just perfect. Lie down here. It's makeover time. Starting with your legs. It won't hurt, I promise. Just move aside. Major sparkles coming through. Nice. Let's plush it up a bit. Yep, even more. Now it's about ready. We only need 2 pieces from here. Now just attach them. Meet your new legs, Ken. The perfect fit. Now for a little bling. Nice. Check him out. A match made in ocean heaven.
Huh? Girls and their dolls. Yikes.
Oh! Hey, wait! My Ken doll! Oh no! Ken? He's good! Oh my! We have to save him! shield your eyes! So much goo. Is this even helping? Wait, I've got it! We'll fix up that head in no time. But first, a couple adjustments. Hope you like the color yellow. Nice! Ready for your new head? There! Ears, please! Amazing! And for the outfit? Looking good! Wow, look, Barbie! Check out Ken's new look! Okay? What kind of things do you do for your favorite dolls? Let us know and be sure to share this video with your friends and subscribe for more awesome content!